For the purpose of official formalities, let you just introduce yourself and tell us the expectation you have for this course. No, it will be video. I will share my screen. It is video. I will share my screen. Presently, you are the only one, but we are expecting more to come. But okay, joining from Abraka. Okay, you be familiar with any programming language? Do you use any programming language? In Java, okay. That's great. Okay, but you can still remember the control structures, the declaration of variables. So first and foremost, we would like to install Python. So we would like to install Python. Okay. So if you don't have Python on your system, kindly go to python.org and install Python. Go to python.org, install Python. Let me share my screen so we can start practice immediately. This is python.org. When you come to python.org, please confirm if you can see my screen. Can you see my screen? Okay. Then just install Python. Go to downloads and install Python 3.10. And if you're on your mobile, you can go to your Play Store, then install QPython. Go to your Play Store, then you install QPython. Trying to get out the app for you and Play Store, or you install Python. For those on mobile, install QPython or you install Python. This QPython. Okay, so I guess you install your Python and we start with our practical. First, I would like to take you through Python, through the fundamentals of Python. After taking you through the fundamentals of Python for today, tomorrow I will introduce you to NumPy. Then Wednesday I will introduce you to Pandas. Then on Thursday we'll do data analysis using Pandas. On Friday will be a more practical section. So Thursday and Friday will be more of practical section where we'll be working with different data frames and we'll be analyzing our different data to get out some descriptives and do some analysis, like to get the correlation. So I'll open my Python, my default IDE. Let's we'll be using the screen, the charts a lot. I had to mute participant because of background noise on your end. But if you are in a quiet place, you can be unmuted. If you are sure your background is very calm, you can unmute yourself. Else, please mute yourself. Okay. What you can see on my screen is what we call the Python shell. And this Python shell is an application environment where you can run some simple codes, like perform some simple mathematics, 2 summing 2 to 3 will give you 5. Then with the concept of variables, we can store our values inside the variable instead of repeating the value consistently. We only call the variable name. So we can say A equals to 2. Like you that is conversant with Java, you will note that in Java you cannot declare a variable without specifying the data type. But in Python, you can actually declare a variable without specifying the data type. Python will automatically detect the data type for you. To automatically detect the data type. So there is no need for specification of data type in declaration of variable in Python. So we have this A2, and I will have another variable. I'll call it B. I'll call this 2.5. So remember I told you Python will automatically detect the data type for you. You will know from the knowledge of programming you have that A is an integer and B is a float because it has a decimal point. So in Python, to get that, you can use type, the type function in Python, and say type of A, which is type of the variable name, and it tells us that it is int, which is integer. So Python automatically detects your variable, your data type for you. So if I go again and say type of B, I'm expecting to see floats. So you see this is float. Another data type in Python is what we call list. In other programming languages, it is called an array, but in Python, it is called a list. So I can say B, for example, or let me use C, equal to 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have this. This is of the type called list, which is an array. And like we know in other programming languages, if you are conversant with them, an array helps us to store more values inside a variable. To store more values inside a variable. And the values can be a mixture of data types, which means it can be a string, it can be a float, an integer, it can be a list also, that can be an array. So that is one of the benefits of lists. Okay, another data type we see in Python, which you will be working with when it comes to pandas, is what we call a dictionary. This dictionary is what other programming languages call associative array. What they call associative array, which is a pair of key to value. It matches the key to a value. So I can say B is equal to this is how Python begins a dictionary. I can say, okay, this is let me say Abuja. Abuja have a key, a value of 200, and I have another key which is Abraka, where we are presently. It has a value of 50. It has a value of 50. So this is a dictionary. When I do type of D, I'll have it as a dictionary. Please confirm if we are together. Okay. So, hello Faith Akarapuwa. I can't. Okay, okay, okay. So now from this dictionary, to access the value, we can use the key. We can use the key to access the value. So this is the variable name D. So I can say Abuja, Abuja, and it gives me the value. It gives me the value. So, but in list, we can't do this in list. We can only access the values in a list through their index position. And we should know that index position in data in computer science, not just data science, in computer science, it starts from 0 and not from 1. So, from considering the list we have on our screen, which is the variable name is C, if we give C index position 0, it returns 2. It returns 2. So index position 4 will return 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will return 6. So that's why there are 5 elements or 5 values, sorry, 5 values in the list. We actually have index positions from 0 to 4. To get the length of a list, we can just use length keyword in Python and we pass the variable and it will give us the length, which is the values inside, the number of values that we have inside. Okay, so we can still do more with what we are seeing above, like the list. List can be changed. List can be changed. The value in the list can be changed, and also that of the dictionary can be changed. Later, I will unveil to you a data type where we cannot change the values. So let's assume I want to change the value of the item or the value in 0 position, in 0 index position. Then all I have to do, I say C index position 0, I'll equate it to, let me say I equate it to 100. So when I use my C, I have this, the value has been changed. Please, if you have any questions, you can always interrupt and let me know. The value has been changed. But also in a dictionary, I can say the dictionary Abuja. Okay, maybe I made a mistake in the value, so I want to change it. I'll change it to 100. Then when I do my dictionary, you see actually that the value has been changed. The value has been changed. This is one thing, one good thing with Python. You can easily change what you want. You can easily change it. Okay, so we'll be proceeding. Quickly, I would like us to visit the data type I said cannot change. And this data type is what we call a tuple. Some call it tuple, some call it tuple. It's like a list, but they have different parentheses. Why a list